Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the document and selecting the text range you want to fix. Start immediately. Press Ctrl+H to open the Find and Replace dialog. This tool automates the work. Once the dialog appears, click in Find What and type 2 spaces to target double spaces, or use P for paragraph marks when removing breaks. Make sure to leave Replace with Empty if you want no space, or type a single space to normalize spacing. This first step sets up the automated replacement. Now you refine the replacement so you don't break formatting. In Replace with enter a single space to compress multiples into one, or leave it blank to remove spaces entirely. Click More and enable use wildcards when you need patterns. For example, search for 2 or use 2 to catch 2 or more spaces. Once done, test with Find Next and Replace. Make targeted changes first, then choose Replace All only when results look correct, to save time and avoid mistakes. Finish by running Replace All when you're confident, then scan the document for unintended joins. If something goes wrong, press Ctrl+Z immediately to undo the last operation, and make sure to use version history or a saved copy as backup. If formatting breaks, words stuck together, or missing paragraph breaks, search for specific markers like PP or tabs, and use wildcards to target only the problematic patterns. One key tip: always test on a small selection first. It prevents wide errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.